我们番禺贸促会，属下呢有一个番禺珠宝产业发展中心，是代表番禺政府来协调管理珠宝行业的一个机构。
For CCPIT Panyu, we have a department which is called Panyu Jewelry Development Center, which helps the government to manage the jewelry industry in Panyu district.
番禺珠宝业的发展呢，是从80年代开始的。
The development of jewelry industry in Panyu started in the early 80s of this century, when some jewelry manufacturers from Hong Kong started to set up their factory and branches in Panyu. Altogether, there are 400 large-scale business enterprises in jewelry industry in Panyu, including those small workshops. The number will reach about 1,500. And the number of workers in the trade amounted to about 100,000. And the export volume of jewelry products to foreign countries equaling about $4 billion. The export volume of jewelry products from Panyu accounts for about 25% of the amount in the whole China. Nearly most of the famous brands appear in international markets and can have their production base here in Panyu. So we have a saying that international jewelries are made in Panyu. And there are several characteristics in Panyu jewelry. The first thing is that we got a fully developed system of jewelry industry. The second one is fully internationalization in the trade, and including the protection of patent rights, and also including internationalized management techniques. One more thing, the jewelry industry of Panyu have all the fully developed backup facilities, including logistics, insurance, and customs, and also the financial institute, all located in Panyu, that provides great backup for the whole industry. And the trade have earned great fame in diamond and color gemstone cutting, which is called China cuts, and also the second one is for famous in jewelry setting.
目前番禺珠宝业的发展呢，主要是以来料加工为主，就是所谓的 OEM。下一步的话呢，我们番禺政府呢，也希望呢，番禺的珠宝呢，能够在国内有开拓国内这个市场。
At present, the trade focused on the practice of OEM, and in the future, we'll focus our efforts in the development of domestic markets.